Awesome. You've got the quiz setup done in part 1. Now, let's move on to part 2 of our animal quiz tutorial. In this part, we'll make the quiz even more fun and engaging by adding sound effects. Log into CapCut and import our animal quiz. Step 1. Add an intro sound effect. Go to Audio, click on Sound Effects. Search for GUI. Drag it under your intro clip so it plays right when our animal pop out. Step 2. Add sound for question appearance. Next, when each question appears, we use this sound effect. Kira Kirarin Rise Music Box. Just place the sound effect right at the start of the text animation. This makes the questions feel interactive and exciting. Step 3. Add sound for answer options. We select this sound effect, pop, and cute sound bubble game when our answer appear. This helps guide your viewers' attention and makes the quiz flow smoother. For our countdown timer, let's make it more dramatic. Search for Thinking Time 1. Drag the sound effect to match the length of your timer animation. For the final second, we will add another sound effect, Pirulin Acute Accent Sound. Step 5. The result screen appear sound effect. When the result pops up, we can use this sound, cute accent sounds that can be used in teleops. To make the star scoring even more fun, we played the sound effect, Kirararin Glitter Star Magic One whenever the star appears. It's a small detail, but it really excites the players. Lastly, our background music. Throughout the quiz, we use cheerful this background music. Mysterious fantasy jungle exploration, Animal Kingdom, to keep the energy high. Just make sure the music is lower than your sound effects so everything is balanced. All right, we've added all the sound effects to our animal quiz. Now, let's take a look at the final product and see how everything comes together with the sounds. If you enjoyed this part, don't forget to check out part 1, where we shared the animal quiz template itself. That's where you can grab the design and start creating your own quiz. And that's it. With just a few sound effects, your animal quiz goes from simple to super engaging. Try mixing different sounds to match your quiz theme. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.